Dripping. That was on my ice stay drip. You look like Beyonce. Baby. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag. I give my whole heart to a piece of shit. I think you broke. Need to get a job. Make it ring, 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 ring. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. She bad, she bad, she bad. Gucci bag, Gucci bag. What's up, guys? It's your girl Deja D here. I'm looking really, really glowy. No, I did not film a makeup look on this look. But if you want one, let me know, because this is all drugstore face everyday makeup. Even though I don't wear makeup every day because I just don't feel like, you know, put it on every day. Don't wake up early enough to put it on every day. So yeah. But today, by the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. My girl CARDI B dropped her album, I believe on Friday, but I was out of town, so I wasn't really able to film a, proper video. But I'm back, and I'm here to film my video, and we're just gonna get right into this video. If you like any other songs in the album, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know any more albums that you want me to react or rate or whatever the case may be. I heard every song on this album except for maybe one or two. But we're just gonna get to it, and I just have my TV because everybody's being a bum, so I can't really use my speaker today. But I have my TV, and it's gonna be playing the album from my TV, so I'm gonna play it loud enough so you all can hear. And I'll leave the names and everything of the songs at the bottom of the screen. So let's just get right into this video. I'm living my best life. To the lessons. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. I've been through some things. I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do. I think you broke. Need to get a job. Now I'm a boss, I run my own name on the check. Pussy so good, I said my own name during sex. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. That was on my ice stay drip. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. That was on my ice stay dripping. But I never been pussy. I think that bitch with pajamas with footies on MVP, and I'm still a rookie like hey. I gotta work on my anger. Might kill a bitch with my fingers. I gotta stay out of Gucci. I'm finna run out of hangers. Is she a stripper or rapper? She bad. Gucci bag. Gucci bag. Gucci bag. Gucci bag. I need some bill money. You look like Beyonce, baby. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag. He's like, it's an entree. You look like Beyonce, baby. Money bag, 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 money bag. They gave it two options, stripping or lose. Right across from my school, I said dance now. Don't get it confused. Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in suits. Lord only knows how I got it in suits. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. A bitch played with my money, might have spit in my food. Bitches hating my guts, now they swear it was cool. Went from making tuna sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind and tripping my views. Real bitch, only thing fake is. So I never heard Through Your Phone before, so this is actually going to be my first time hearing this song. But before I get to this song, okay, but before we get to that song in particular, I want to start, like, I kind of guess, explain my feelings towards the songs that we already heard. So every song that we've heard so far is a different style. Like, certain songs are more faster, some are more pop and modern. Like, for example, the song with Chance the Rapper, that had a different feel than the song called Get 10 Up or something like that. The song that I just played, that song kind of reminded me of like a Meek Mill type of song, where it's just very, very lyrical. Like you're just speaking, it's just you, and like it's a beat, but it's like a hard, like, listen to me kind of beat. It's like, it reminded me like of a Meek Mill song, like the hold on, wait a minute, but you know, the beginning part when he was just talking. That song, the last song that I just played, is Get Up at 10 or Get Up 10 or something like that. That song is very lyrical. Like, that's just her. She's talking about like how she used to dance and how people put her down. She's just really just speaking more lyrics. All the songs on this album is pretty much like that, but like Money, all of the songs on the album is really like hardcore. She has different songs for, I feel like, everybody on this album. But as far as the songs that just went bad, you can hear songs like, I know they'll play songs like Money Bag or She Bag. Like, you know, you're going to hear those in like clubs, parties, different things like that. But and then like I'm Living My Best Life, that songs that you could like perform. You know, I could see her performing that at like a BET Awards type situation. Get Up 10, I feel like that's just something you have to just put in your headphones and just listen to. Could she perform it? Yeah, but like that's just something that's just like, you know, real deep. Like, you have to you just have to appreciate certain things like that. Like, you just have to really listen. Like me, for example, there are some songs that I just like listen to, like Lil Pump and like whatever the rest of their names are. It's like some songs they have is just meant for you to just be hype off of. Like, for example, Boss. It's like certain songs is just meant to be hype, but some songs and artists, you just really have to appreciate their music because they do take their time in their craft. Like Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, that's more of like a hype, like you're just listening to the beat really. Whereas songs like Get Up at 10 or the songs on Cardi B's album, that's like, you just listen to what she's saying, or she's just like a really lyrical rapper. And there's certain artists that you just have to appreciate what they're saying. And there's other artists and other songs that some artists make that's just like, this is meant for the clubs. This is going to get me money. You know, you have to use your audience. You have to, at the end of the day, this is your job. And if you're in the entertainment business, you have to keep up with what's new and what's now. And the good thing about this album is she has songs that's gonna be able to play at the club, but it still is to her. And she has songs that she really worked hard on. Like, I mean, I think she worked hard on the whole album, but I hope you all understand what I'm trying to say. Like, as being in the entertainment business, you have to put songs out that are true to you while still appealing to the media. These are the people that's going to buy the song. So, you know, certain artists, like, there's certain rap that aren't going to be able to cater to certain audiences. So she made this album catering to, I feel like, a lot of different audiences while still being true to herself. This song is nasty. Petty, yeah. Give a dog a bone. Guap guap. So as far as Beckhead or something like that, I don't know what it's called. You know, the last song I just played. That song is like guap guap. It's guap. But she said some really foul, nasty things in that song, and it's like, girl, I'm only 16. Chill out. I know. We've heard worse. But the song Through My Phone, that's like more of a breakup type song, and she has a lot of songs on this album that I feel like Ring, which is the song that's about to come on next. That's like one of my favorite songs because Kalani's voice just sounds really, really pretty on that song. And Cardi, she says something like, with your thumbs broken, you could text me with your nose. Like, basically, like, dude, like, I don't care if your thumbs is broken, you better find a way to text me with your nose. But the last song, but the Through My Phone song, that song was, like, really hard. She was like, you know, your mom raised the, and, you know, I went through your phone and I seen the little girl sending you pictures, and, she's gonna be on the gram for sending my man pictures. Like, I'm gonna post all your naked pictures on the gram. I'm like, girl, who hurt you? Like, when I first heard Be Careful, I was like, is this about Offset? And she was like, no, guys, like, we Gucci. I'm just making songs to appeal to you bitter single girls, I guess, basically is what she was trying to get at. Like, oh, I'm making songs for you guys, because I know y'all like heartbreaking songs, because boys always breaking people's hearts or whatever. Not me, because your girl is carefree. I can get it on the low. I want you to make it rain, 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 rain. The beat on this, if you put your headphones in, bro, this song go hard. The ones that look like socks. My whole heart to a piece of, but be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Who hurts you, hurt and it's bruising. You gotta get the whole world fixed. Hurt the girls that you lose, and be careful. It's not a threat, it's a prom. Oh, it's a warning. I was gonna say promise. It's hard, it's like a present with a fragile label on it. Be careful. In the last song, you already know. Hold on. These is expensive, these is red bottles, these is blood issues. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a also don't get comfortable. I don't dance now, I make money moves. Kodak, why are you in this song? If I see you on my feet, so guys, overall, I really enjoyed this album. Cardi, you did a wonderful job. If you ever see this video, just know it's a girl in Maryland that wants to meet you, okay? Congrats on your baby, and I really enjoy your music. So give this video a thumbs up if you find the album popping, and even if you don't find the album popping, give this video a thumbs up so Cardi B can know that you don't find it popping, I guess. So anywho, I think that's it. Be sure to follow me on my social media. Be sure to follow me on Insta, Twitter, Snap, all of that good stuff. Leave some comments below, some more Cardi B songs and some more popping albums that have just released, and I'll, you know, listen to the songs, tell you how I feel about it, and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna keep cranking to the album. Be sure you all crank to it too, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.